of Narayana Group of Educational Institutions. Today we are here in MG Road branch. TEDx MG Road is happening today in MG Road branch. We have about 9 speakers. Narayana Group of Educational Institutions has always been known for academics, but it is also known for holistic development. I think for a student, for a child, it's extremely important to give that holistic environment, holistic approach. And after 47 years, this is the 47th year of the establishment of Narayana Group of Educational Institutions. We are very, very proud that TEDx is happening for the first time in the Narayana Group in Delhi, MG Road, and we're super, super excited for the event. So, our main approach is after TEDx MG Road is over, we want to continue and take TEDx further across all branches of the Narayana Group. We have about 800 branches in schools and colleges. So, we want to go ahead and do TEDx everywhere so that our students will get the right exposure and our students can become the better citizens of tomorrow. So I'm super, super happy and excited for the event. Thank you.
And 10 speakers are there total.
10.
And it is also their
Okay,
choice.
there are 10 speakers, not 9.
10 हाँ
10.
कहाँ
4
से
are Narayana students, right?
4 are Narayana students and 6 are guest speakers.
I'll start.
10 बच्चे आए हैं आपके पास कहाँ से और किस तरीके से उनको अटेंड कर रहे हैं आप लोग
10 बच्चे नहीं है. It's a
students.
combination of students and
Student.
adults.
हाँ जी
And 4 are exclusively Narayana students.
हाँ जी
So we had TED Ed in December.
हम्म,
So in TED Ed, 4 of Narayana students got selected and they're going ahead with TEDx.
हम्म।
That is being conducted today in MG Road branch. And along with that, the others.
कैसे सेलेक्ट होते हैं बच्चे
So there's a process of selection. TEDx is an independent body. The main body is TED, which is in USA, and TED Ed also is TEDx is a subsidiary of TED.
अदर स्कूल में या नारायणा में क्या फ़र्क है अगर देखते हैं इंस्टीट्यूट के बारे में अगर बात करें
TEDx has a vigorous rules and regulations, and every student will not be selected in TEDx. Today, Narayana Group, Narayana MG Road has TEDx license. That is a very, very prestigious for any organization because it will give the child the right exposure. बच्चे के लिए राइट एक्सपोजर चाहिए सो इवेंट्स लाइक TEDx, इवेंट्स लाइक MOU in Narayana Group we keep conducting so many events throughout which can enhance the exposure for the child and give the right direction for the child. So it's a very, very prestigious event and not everyone will get the TEDx license.
नए एडमिशन को लेकर कैसे करें दिसंबर आ चुका है
Our admissions are going on, and yesterday we have touched about 1,000 admissions, and we are very, very happy with the admissions. We are very happy that the branches are filling, and we are also very happy with the initiatives we have taken this year, especially the academic initiatives.
एनसीआर का बहुत बड़ा हब है अब बहुत बड़ा स्कूल का आपका इंस्टीट्यूट है फरीदाबाद ले लें दिल्ली ले लें गुरुग्राम ले लें नोएडा ले लें किस तरीके से मैनेज कर लेते हैं किस तरीके से आगे का फ्यूचर क्या है इसके अलावा
So if you talk about the last academic year and the prior academic years, you can see a lot of variation in the academic initiatives that Narayana Group has taken. We have launched the Futurist program. The Futurist program mainly focuses on giving the right life skills for the child right from a very early age. And at the same time, we have so many clubs, YEC club, we have pottery, we have culinary. We have everything that the child wants in such a way that the child will finally become the better person and the child will focus on academics as well. So for Futurist program, we have been getting a lot of positive feedback, and all the operations take place from the central office. So we have a centralized network, and we have so many layers to monitor. And so far, everything is good, and we're expecting better and best admissions this year.
अदर स्कूल को नारायणा को दोनों को कंपेयर करते हैं तो बालक बच्चे जो यहाँ पढ़ के जाते हैं या पढ़ रहे हैं दोनों का अगर मैं देखता हूँ या हमने अभी तक जो सर्व करी है बहुत फ़र्क होता है एक पढ़ना एक पढ़ाना जो बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं वो भी आगे चलकर पढ़ाने लग जाते हैं मैजिक क्या
Narayana Group is an integrated curriculum.
हाँ जी
Along with academics, along with giving the right life skills for the child, we also focus on IIT, JEE, NEET.
हाँ जी
And we have a 47 years history in education. So my father is a founder. He believes in CDF. If you have the right foundation, and we have a booklet called CDF, Concept Definition Formula. We give it to the child in the start of the academic year. So every year we have n number of examinations. We literally have about 200 examinations in 2 years. So that once the child writes so many examinations, the child gets perfect in the foundation, and once the foundation is strong, the child can attempt any examinations.
2 साल में 200 एग्जाम करा देना
हाँ,
बहुत बड़ा है।
वीकली
अच्छी
टेस्ट है, पार्टली टेस्ट, पार्ट टेस्ट है, और क्यूमुलेटिव एग्जामिनेशंस है, ग्रैंड टेस्ट है. सो इतना टेस्ट एक चाइल्ड को देते तो
Exactly.
पूरा परफेक्ट हो जाता.